Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. Today I'm going to be walk you through how to fix TikTok if you are following too fast error. This is still a frequent issue that many of the people encounter. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to simply head towards your TikTok mobile application. So whenever you tap on this little plus icon right next to their any of the profile, you are getting the option that you are following too fast, which really messes up the TikTok, which really means that TikTok is trying to stop boots from going in and automatically following a lot of users, which is basically similar to that they prevent an unusual behavior on Instagram and Twitter. When TikTok suspends that you are following users too quickly, they limit your account for quite time. And I can see a couple of videos where the people have advising heading to their profile and then tap on the profile picture icon and head towards the option to clear up the cache. But I promise that none of these will work. Don't even bother by wasting your time with these myths. In the end, it's just an algorithm that decides if you have been involved in any of the suspicious activities, or if that's so, when to resolve or free the account. So all of it depends on how many instances that have been occurred, on how hilarious TikTok deems your activity. So if you are the first time ever done something, this really wasn't a great deal and you didn't follow a large number of users, only slightly over the 3 holes, they will just limit your account for next several hours. If you repeatedly do something, there could be actually that they can restrict your account for more than 3 days or even weeks. So it could be a really bigger problem. So if you haven't done anything, then your account will be free within few hours. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon.